part of the video, I will answer the following question. What time is it now? It's 8 a.m. now. What day is it today? Today is Friday. What is the date now? May 16, 2005. What season is it now? Now is the dry season. Hey Rip, what are you doing? I am studying for the math test tomorrow. Wow, you are really been working hard lately. Yeah, I have studied every day this week. Well, good luck with your exam. Thank you, Ami. Baby, you, yeah. You, yeah. You,